Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change or customize icon in Redmi 13C device. So guys, for this, all you guys have to do just go to Play Store. As we don't have any default setting of this, so we have to use third-party application. So just go to Play Store and here search for custom image as icon. So just scroll it down. As you guys see, we have this application icon changer dash customize icon. So this application you have to install this, and after installing, just open the application. So these are the icons of your mobile phone. Now select any icon which you want to customize. I am choosing Facebook. Okay, you can also choose icon from here, but I am choosing my own photo. So just click on photo. Now choose gallery and then allow all. After that, select any photo. So I am selecting this one for the Facebook. Click on OK. After that, click OK. So as you see, it is now changing. Okay, now this application contain a ad, but don't worry, it's a free application. So just skip the video and then press OK. So as you guys see that the Facebook icon is now changed. So this is a Facebook icon. Now if I touch it, I will go to the Facebook. So this is how we can customize any icon of the Redmi 13C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.